In front of me is Lenovo K6, and let me show you how to change language on this device. So at first let's open the settings, then locate and open languages and input, and go to languages. And here, by selecting add a language, you can smoothly choose the one that you want to apply. So it can be, for example, Portuguese, then pick the region, slide it up to the first place because the first one is the default language of your device, and as you can see from the very first moment that Portuguese has been on first place, it's a default language of yours. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.